Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our new topic, doping. Doping is defined as the use of drugs or blood product to improve the performance. Doping is used by the sports persons to improve the sports performance. The use of drugs is considered as unethical and are banned by the International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee wants a dope-free, clean sports and are banned by the IOC. And because it is doping, it's drugs, it's affect the health of the athletes and also wants to give equal opportunity for all athletes to compete. Doping Doping in sports is taken during the training or competitions by the sports persons. Doping types of doping. There are three types of doping: drug administrations, blood doping, and gene doping. Drug administrations. Administrations means the use of drugs by the athletes to enhance the performance. Drugs are the chemicals or synthetic products such as stimulant, narcotics, steroid, beta blockers, diuretics, etc. Stimulant. Stimulant. It is a drugs that make our body work faster. It increase the heart rate and make us less sleepy and make our body active. Okay, a stimulant increase our heart rates and make us more active, energetic. Narcotics is act as a painkillers and it is help in killing the pain, and it is mainly used by endurance. It is used in the activity where endurance is required. Steroid is used for healing. Growth hormones. Growth hormones. This growth hormones is used to build up the muscle. To build up the muscles. This growth hormones, it is mainly used by the bodybuilders to build their muscle, to build their body. Beta blockers is used to reduce the blood pressures. Beta blockers reduce the blood pressures, so our heart rate beats slowly. Beats slowly, and it is mainly used in the game like shooting, archery, where the concentration is required. Diuretics is used in the sports where weight is measured. This diuretics helps in weight reducing by removing the waters from our body. These are the some types of drug administrations. Okay, drugs. Stimulant. It is used. Stimulants make you more active, energetic. Narcotics. It helps in painkiller. It acts as a painkillers. Steroid. It is used for healing. Beta growth hormones. It is used for building the muscles used by the bodybuilders. Growth hormones. Beta blocker is used to reduce the blood pressures. It reduces the blood pressures and used in the game where concentration is required. That is, it helps in removing the fluid from our body in the form of urine, sweating, etc. Next is blood doping. Blood doping, it is also known as erythropoietin, EPO. In blood doping, It is the process, blood doping is the process of increasing the red blood cells. Red blood cells, and red blood cells can be increased. Blood doping means increasing the red blood cells, and you can increase the red blood cells by taking from the donors or taking your own previously harvested red blood blood, or using the drugs to increase the red blood cells. This extra red blood cells carry more oxygen from the lungs to the working tissue and enhance the performance of the athletes as well as maximum oxygen consumptions. This is the blood doping. Okay, blood doping, it is also known as erythropoietin. Blood doping means increasing in red blood cells. If the red blood cells increase, it will carry more oxygen to the working tissue, and our endurance will be improved. And red blood cells can be increased by injecting the red blood cell from the donors or previously harvested own blood, or taking the drugs to increase the red blood cells. Next is gene doping. Gene doping means it is a non-therapeutic use of cells, genes, or genetics elements or modifications of genes. Okay, gene doping means the use of cell, gene, or modifications of genes to enhance the performance. For examples, modifying the gene by the female to improve their strength, etc. Okay, these are the types of doping. That is types of doping, that is drug administration, blood doping, and gene doping. Blood drugs administrations means the use of drugs to improve the performance. Use of drugs like narcotics, beta blockers, growth hormones, steroid. Blood doping means increasing the red blood cells. Blood doping means increasing the red blood cells. Increasing in red blood cells helps to carry more oxygen to the working tissues and helps in increasing the endurance of an athlete. And gene doping means modifications of genes or use of cells, gene, etc. Next is prohibited substance and the methods and their side effect. What are the prohibited substance used by the sports persons, their methods and their side effect? The first is stimulant. Stimulant are the chemicals which have direct effect over the central nervous and cardiovascular systems. Okay, stimulants has direct effect over the central nervous systems and cardiovascular systems. Therefore, it will improve the work output by reducing the feeling of fatigue. Stimulants reduce the feeling of fatigue. It increase the alertness, make you more active, increase your heart rate, reduce the reaction time. Example of stimulants are, it is found in caffeine, in coffee, cough syrup, etc. And the stimulant, it increase the endurance and speed of a person's. And the effect, what are the side effect of stimulant? The side effect of stimulant, like it make you more aggressive, violent behavior, blurred vision, dizziness, irregular heartbeat, etc. And high dose may lead. Next is, this is a stimulant. A stimulant have direct effect over the central nervous system and cardiovascular systems. Therefore, it will make you more active, energetic, etc., and reduce the feeling of fatigue. Its side effects are it make you more aggressive, violent, um, irregular heartbeat, blurred vision, dizziness, etc. Next is narcotics. Narcotics are good painkillers. Okay, narcotics, it is a good painkiller. These drugs make you slow and sleepy. Therefore, they act as a good painkillers. This helps in long endurance activity. Because in long endurance activity, if there is a pain, you will not able to do activity for long period of time. So narcotics reduce your pain, therefore your endurance, you can do the activity for long period of time. They are used during the training period to remove the feeling of fatigue, tiredness, etc. The side effect of narcotics are slow response. Okay, the effect of narcotics side effect are it make the slow response. It reduce your performance. You become addictions towards is concentrations. Your concentration is lost, nausea, vomiting, etc. And narcotics, it is found in morphine, that is gaja, opium, heroin, etc. And also it is found in cough syrup. Asteroid, it is good for healing. Asteroids helps in healing. They are very strong chemicals which are used by the players during training sessions, and they promote growth and healing process. It's help to heal the injury. These are very effective for speed, power, and strength activity. This asteroid is mainly made from animal sex organs. It increases the heart rate, body temperatures, respiratory, body weight, muscle mass, blood circulations, faster healing, rebuilding of tissue, etc. And its side effect of asteroid are male voice in females, male voice, heart attack, cancer, that is kidney or liver damage, infertility in females, muscular body in female, hypertensions, aggressive behaviors, uncontrollable emotion, etc. These are the side effects of asteroid. Next, growth hormones. Growth hormones, these are usually used for increasing the muscle mass, height, and size of the body. Usually used by the bodybuilders to build their body, and it is used in the game like bodybuilding, throwing, jumping, wrestling, etc. Its side effect are unbalanced height and size of the body, posture deformity may arise, bone may be defected, it may leads to overweight, etc. Beta blockers reduce your anxiety, lower the heart rate, that is blood pressure reduced, therefore your heart rate will be reduce the body temperatures, reduce the stress, help to relax the muscles, etc. Therefore it is used by the used in the competitions like archery, shooting, because it helps you to make a concentration. Its side effect it their they cause serious health problems in our later age. Diuretics, these drugs that is helps to eliminate the fluid from the body, so the persons reduce the body weight in a very short period, because our body is made of 70% of waters. By taking the diuretics, it eliminate the fluid from the body, therefore the weight of a person's become weight of a person reduce very in a short period of time, and it is mainly used in the game like judo, boxing, wrestling, karate, wushu, etc. These drugs are unnatural appetite. These side effects are unnatural appetite leads to malnutrition, dehydrations, body fainting, etc. Next, blood doping. Blood doping, blood doping, also known as erythropoietin. It is in blood doping means increasing the red blood cells in your body. If the red blood cells increase, more oxygen, red blood cells carry more oxygen. So if red blood cells increase, it's help to carry more oxygen to the working tissue. Therefore, your endurance will be improved. So blood doping helps to increase the endurance. Therefore, it is used by the players like like long distance runners, cycling, swimmer, etc. to improve their endurance. The side effects of blood doping are dehydration, heart attack, blood infection. Main is blood infections, because you take the blood from a donor or harvested blood. Therefore, it may lead to blood infection, blood disease, heart attack, dehydration, etc. So, this is about the doping. Doping means the use of drugs or blood product to improve the performance. Doping is used by the sports person to improve their performance, and these drugs are banned by the International Olympic Committee because IOC want a dope-free, clean environments and want to give equal opportunity to all players for competitions. There are three types of doping: drug administrations, blood doping, and gene doping. Some drugs are stimulant, narcotics, steroid, growth hormones, etc. Next is substance abuse and its effect. Substance, according to World Health Organizations, substance abuse refers to the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substance, including alcohol, illicit drugs, etc. Substance abuse. First, alcohol. Alcohol, the alcohol which we drink is called ethanol or ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. It is obtained by the process of fermentations of distillations. It is a byproduct made from the decompositions of wheat, rice, barley, grapes, etc. What are the effects? What are the effects of drugs and alcohols? Alcohol are taken in the form of wine, whiskey, beer, etc. This alcohol, it is the this alcohol. What are the effects of alcohol? The first, there are many views about the alcohol. Some considers it is as a medicine, and many drink it for the company's sake. May say that it relieves the tension. Okay, some say that alcohol is good for health. it have to remove the tensions, stress, and give you and many believe that it's give the fun, enjoyment. All this wrong opinion can come to and if we know the reality of its effect. The effect of alcohol are: first is economic loss. Alcohol is costly product in its form. It causes great loss of money. Alcohol, it is costly, therefore therefore there is a loss of money once a person is addicted, because he want alcohol, and it may cause health problems, and cause if there is health problem, it cause extra economical burden for medical treatment. Okay, first thing is you have to buy alcohol, and then if there is any health problem, then again you have uh, you have you have to expend for the medical treatment. Physical efficiency loss. Regular drinking of alcohols make the body sick, weak, disease. Okay, if you drink alcohol regularly, it make the body very sick, weak, and disease. Body lose physical efficiency, and health is affected to the great extent. Alcohol, it is an open invitation to the health problems. Alcohol has very adverse effect for a sports person. Next is loss of sense. When we drink alcohol, it affects our sense. We don't know at the time of when we drink alcohol, the sense of judgment is lost. So a person cannot think properly when he drink alcohol. It reduces the self-control. He is not able to control himself. Therefore, a person commit many mistakes. And alcoholic persons cannot control his emotion. ठीक है, आप लोग ने देखा ही होगा, when a person drink alcohol, he is not able to control his emotions. Sometimes this emotion become aggressive and violent. And alcoholic persons also lost his perfection in skill. His performance is also low. Loss of memory. In an alcoholic persons, the brain activity are reduced. The brain cannot remember the immediate happening. He don't know. His memory is lost. That is, his short-term memory is lost. When he drink the alcohol, he does not remember the immediate happening. That is, his short-term memory is lost. Decline appetite. An alcoholic person cannot eat his normal diet. Therefore, his appetite get reduced. It may lead to nutritional deficiency, which cause decline in performance, as the diet cannot meet the needs of the body, needs the energy. Crime. Alcohol has direct relations with the crime. Most of the crime is done by the alcoholic persons. When a person drink, he commit a crime. Road accident. In most cases, road accident, these are the caused by the driver who are drunk, as they overspeed the vehicles and cannot control the vehicle properly. This leads to road accidents and kill many innocent people. Unreliable. Most of the alcoholic drinkers are unreliable and are considered unfaithful. The promise made under the alcoholic effect are often painful. So it is very hard to believe the alcoholic person disturb the family life. Drunk peoples have disturbed family life because they paid less attention to the family needs, which become the cause of quarrels in his family. Okay. Alcoholic persons, he does not take care of his house. He does not pay attention towards the need of his family. Therefore his family life get disturbed. These are the some effect of drugs, effect of alcohol. Okay, that is alcohol. The first effect is economical loss, as the alcohol is very costly. So it is the wastage of money, and if you drink alcohol, it cause health problems, and then again there will be the burden for treatment of the treatment. Therefore first is economical loss, your physical efficiency loss. If you drink alcohol, it may leads to it may cause disease. It may cause disease. Your bones become weak. You will become sick. Therefore your efficiency will be reduced. Loss of sense. When you drink the alcohol, your sense organs is affected. You are not able to control your sense organs. You are not able to control your emotions. Loss of memory. When you drink alcohol, you don't remember the immediate happening. Your short-term memory is lost. Decline appetite. The alcoholic persons, if you drink alcohol, your appetite your appetite get reduced. It may leads to undernutrition, malnutrition, because your body is not able to get the proper nutrition. Crime. Most of the crime is made by the alcoholic persons. Road accidents. When we drive, the drunkards who drive, they are not able to control his speeds. Therefore it may lead to accident. Unreliable. Most of the alcoholic persons are unreliable. That is, it is very difficult to trust the alcoholic persons, because the promise made under the alcoholic effect are often painful, disturb the family life. Next is look at here, symptoms and effect of alcohol. If it affect your heart, symptoms affect your heart, that is irregular heartbeat, stroke, high blood pressures. Muscles, your muscles weakness, weak muscles, the strength of your muscles reduce. Pancreas, stomach, livers, your livers may damage. Lungs, you will face difficulty in breathing. Your brain, loss of memory, etc. Next is tobacco. Tobacco we take in the form of tobacco. It is also harmful for our health. We take tobacco in the form of cigarette, bidi, ganja, pan masala, etc. And its effect are tobacco as poison, wrong habit, lungs and jaw cancers, increase the blood pressures, decrease in body temperatures, increase in sugar levels, reduce lifespan, wastage of money, reduce appetite, pollutions, and reduce the performance. These are the some effect of alcohol. This we will decide in our next video. Thank you.